Welcome. If you've ever wondered how to find restricted accounts on Instagram using your PC, you're in the right place. With Instagram's latest update, the process is easier than ever. And today, I'm going to walk you through each step so you can manage your restricted list with confidence. Let's get started. First, open your favorite web browser and head over to Instagram.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. You'll notice the familiar Instagram layout, but on PC, everything's a bit more spacious and organized. Now, take a look at the left side of your screen. Here, you'll see a vertical menu with several icons. Find the one labeled More. It usually appears as 3 horizontal lines or dots. Go ahead and click on that icon. This will open up a small menu with additional options. From this new menu, select Settings. This is where you can control all your privacy and account preferences. Once you're in the Settings section, look for the option called Restricted Accounts. It's typically listed under the privacy or security categories, depending on the update. Click on Restricted Accounts to open the list. Here, you'll see all the accounts you've restricted on Instagram. Restricted accounts are users whose comments on your posts are only visible to them, and they can't see when you're online or if you've read their messages. This feature is perfect for keeping your Instagram experience positive without having to block or unfollow someone. If you want to remove someone from your restricted list, simply find their name and click the Unrestrict button next to it. If you want to add someone new, use the search bar at the top to find their profile and restrict them right from this page. And that's it. Managing your restricted accounts on Instagram from your PC has never been easier. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.